Hi friends, so in this video we are going to start practice questions part 3. So let's start. First question, which one of the following statements about animal cells and plant cells is correct? So here animal cells have cell membrane but doesn't have cell wall, whereas plant cells have both cell walls and cell membranes. Is that clear, guys? So look at the options over here. Option A, animal cells have only cell membrane, not cell wall, whereas plant cells have only cell wall, not cell membrane. Option B, animal cells have only cell membrane, not cell wall, but plants have both. Option C, both animals and plant cells have cell membrane and cell wall. Option D, only some cells of animals have cell wall and all plant cells have cell membrane. So here, coming to this first statement, we know animal cells doesn't have cell walls. It has cell membrane. Plant cells have both cell wall and cell membrane. So in that scenario, option A will be wrong answer. Coming to option B, this is correct. Okay. So now the second question, lymph is a tissue fluid present in intercellular spaces. It resembles to option A, digestive juice, option B, cytoplasmic fluid, option C, urine, option D, plasma. So the correct answer is option D, plasma. Okay. Now the third question is, E-Sanjeevani, the free telemedicine service of the government of India, was recently integrated with option A, Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, option B, Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana, option C, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, option D, Universal Health Insurance Scheme. So the correct answer is option A. It is integrated with Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission during the COVID-19 pandemic situation. So here, Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana is related to a social security scheme administered through Life Insurance Corporation. And here, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana is related to accident insurance scheme. So Universal Health Insurance Scheme, we all know. So the correct answer is option A. Okay. E-Sanjeevani is the free telemedicine service. Okay. Fourth question, which one of the following statements about SHRESHTA scheme launched recently by the government of India is or are correct? First statement is, the scheme is for residential education for students in high schools in targeted areas. Second statement is, provides for high quality education for meritorious but were scheduled meritorious and were scheduled caste students. Okay. So option A, one only, B, two only, C, both, D, neither one nor two. So the correct answer is option C. Okay, both these are correct. So the fifth question is, in the recent judgment, the Supreme Court of India directed that every protected forest, national park, and wildlife sanctuary across the country should have a mandatory eco-sensitive zones of the minimum of option A, 1 kilometer starting from their demarcated boundaries, option B, 2 kilometers starting from their demarcated boundaries, option C, 3 kilometers, option D, 5 kilometers. So here, as per the Supreme Court judgment, Supreme Court ordered that 1 kilometer radius of every protected forest, national park, wildlife sanctuaries, and all these protected zones will be called as eco-sensitive zones. Okay, the 1 kilometer radius out of these areas are called eco-sensitive zones. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Now sixth question, who among the following is the author of the book Tomb of Sand? So option A, Arundhati Rai, B, Geetanjali Shri, C, Chetan Bhagat, D, Jhumpa Lahiri. So the correct answer is option B. It is Geetanjali Shri. Seventh question, who among the following invented the flying shuttle? Now what is flying shuttle here? Here flying shuttle is a machine where people can weave maximum number of fiber as possible. Okay, so this was the foundation technology for weaving machines, right? Okay, so option A, James Hargreaves. Option B, John Kay. Option C, Richard Arkwright. Option D, Humphrey Davy. So the correct answer is option B, John Kay. Eighth question, where did Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose announce the formation of the Government of Free India in 1943? Option A, Singapore. B, Shanghai. C, Berlin. And D, Mandalay. The correct answer is option A. It is in Singapore. Ninth question, who among the following introduced the objective resolution in the Constitution Assembly on 13th December 1946? Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. B, Rajendra Prasad. C, P.R. Ambedkar. Option D, Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer. So the correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. 10th question, consider the following events. So Gandhi-Irwin Pact, Second Roundtable Conference, Peasant Bardoli Peasant Movement, and Peasant Movement in Kheda. So actually, first is Kheda Movement. So here, the Kheda movement took place in 1918, 18. Bardoli Satyagraha took place in 1928. Second Round Table Conference took place in 7th September 1931. Okay, and Gandhi-Irwin Pact took place in 5th March 1931. Okay, so here 4, 3, 1, 2, that is option B is the correct answer.